Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need fresh mint, juicy limes, white rum, simple syrup, and some refreshing club soda. Make sure you have a sturdy muddler and a tall glass ready to go. Now, let's build the flavor. Place about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves into your glass. Add 2 lime wedges. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release the oils from the mint and the juice from the lime. Be careful not to overmuddle, as this can make your drink bitter. Next, we'll add the liquids. Pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass. Then, add 1 ounce of simple syrup to balance the flavors with a touch of sweetness. Now, fill your glass to the top with plenty of crushed ice. This helps keep your mojito perfectly chilled and refreshing. Almost done, top off your mojito with about 3 to 4 ounces of refreshing club soda. Give it a gentle stir to mix everything together without losing the fizz. For the perfect presentation, garnish your delicious mojito with a fresh sprig of mint and a thin slice of lime. Enjoy your easy homemade mojito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.